should free and I could see so. Now we have fun. No dear dance here. Now we tell her. Now I know Bass is here. Then and I find because stop your nonsense. Right? The Bible said in the book of James, chapter 1, verse number 21, one of the most powerful statements ever made in the scriptures. Wherefore lay apart all filthiness, superfluity of naughtiness, and receive with meekness. Assembly by the word draw energy. Ye preaching on no so can win it. Because in Yami Beshra unshira mi bia. Ebe yanka ye. Me cast no kind of opposite. I see the Lord lifting you. Yatia bre. We can't be here no. Ebe ye den. If I feel them none no bad job. Ebe ye den in Yami. Huh? Sister, say Yamia says who is Rawa. Me say, aye, or sorry, brate. Minimum be tunan in New Camo. I say, Papa Bramian, God bless me, fear Bako, me Baba free Canada. If fear me pass here, the chow nini kuno. Let's go and dedicate it. I mean, time me brand a brand new car. Near Kona, I mean, the sea, and you see so. Now, and you know, yeah, Bonomo, it was Moses okay. The boom Moses okay, you might have forgotten about the song. You know, Adumura, 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 Unimadino. Your bonyum noir, it was on repeat. When we went to Tema, came back, it was playing. And Bisama, and I said, why are you playing worship? And I was this, bra. Enye nyami anka me bra alaba kumasi nebe bisama se zongo ni ba be na na tese me wa alaba unyami adawroma. I have 3 houses in America, 2 in London, 1 in Amsterdam. I have almost 16 in Accra and over 30 in Kumasi. I have company and workers. And you don't want me to sing of the goodness of God?